Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ethan. How are you today?
Hi, Nina. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I wanted to talk with you about online shopping today. Do you shop online often?
Yes, I do. I shop online many times because it is very convenient. I can buy clothes, electronics, and even books with a few clicks. What about you?
I also shop online regularly. I like the variety and the easy comparison of prices. Sometimes I find good deals that I cannot find in stores.
I agree. Online shopping saves a lot of time. But I also think there are some problems. For example, I worry about the quality of some products.
That is true. Sometimes the product looks different in the picture than it does in real life. I always check reviews before buying.
Reviews are very helpful. I read comments from other buyers to know if the product is good. If many people give a high rating, I feel more confident to buy.
Yes, and I also check the seller's ratings. A good seller usually has many positive reviews and a clear return policy.
Exactly. Another thing I think about is security. When I shop online, I worry about my personal information.
Me too. I always make sure that the website is secure. I look for HTTPS in the URL and a padlock symbol before entering my credit card details.
That is a good habit. I also use a payment method that has extra security, like PayPal or my bank's secure payment system.
Yes, using secure payment options helps protect our information. I also avoid saving my credit card information on websites.
I do that too. I prefer to enter my details every time I make a purchase. It feels safer that way.
So, what was your best online shopping experience, Ethan?
My best experience was when I bought a pair of headphones. I found them on sale at a good price, and many reviews said they were very comfortable and had great sound quality. When they arrived, they were exactly as described. I was very happy.
That sounds wonderful. I had a good experience when I ordered a winter jacket. The website had many photos and a detailed description of the material. The jacket arrived on time and fit me perfectly.
It is very nice when everything goes well. Sometimes I face problems with shipping delays or damaged products.
Yes, I have had that problem once. I ordered a book and it arrived with a torn cover. I contacted customer service and they sent me a new copy.
Customer service is important. A quick response can solve many issues. I always check the return policy before buying, just in case something goes wrong.
I do that too. I think a good online store always has a clear return and refund policy. It makes me feel more comfortable shopping there.
What kind of products do you usually buy online, Nina?
I buy many things online. I usually shop for clothes, shoes, and accessories. I also buy books and sometimes small electronics.
I mostly buy gadgets and computer accessories. I like to compare prices on different websites before I decide.
That is smart. I sometimes use price comparison websites to find the best deal. It saves money and time.
Yes, and sometimes I also wait for seasonal sales or discount events. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are my favorite times to shop online.
I love those sales. I always plan my shopping lists during those events. I find many items at a lower price.
It feels great to get a good deal, but sometimes I worry that low prices might mean lower quality.
I understand. That is why I read reviews carefully and check product ratings. It helps me decide if the product is worth the price.
Exactly. I think online shopping has many advantages, like variety, convenience, and often lower prices. But it also has challenges like ensuring quality and security.
Yes, and another challenge is not being able to try the product before you buy it. For example, when buying clothes, size and fit can be an issue.
True. I sometimes buy a size that I think fits well, but then it does not match my body as expected. I always check the size chart and sometimes read reviews about the fit.
That is a good strategy. I also look for websites with a good return policy so I can exchange the item if it does not fit.
Do you think that online shopping will grow in the future?
I believe so. More people like the convenience of shopping from home. Also, technology is getting better, and websites are improving their security and quality control.
I agree. With fast shipping and secure payment options, online shopping is very attractive.
It is also exciting to see new apps that help you shop better. Some apps show you personalized recommendations based on your previous purchases.
Yes, I use an app that sends me notifications about sales and new products. It is very helpful for me because I can quickly check if there is a good offer.
That is great. I also like when apps have customer reviews and videos of the products. It makes it easier to decide what to buy.
Online shopping can be very social too. I sometimes share deals with my friends and ask them for opinions before I buy something.
I do that as well. I often post on social media to ask, has anyone bought this product before? It is a good way to get real opinions.
It is interesting how technology has changed the way we shop. I remember when I used to go to the mall every weekend. Now I can shop from my phone in a few minutes.
Yes, and it gives me more time to do other things. I can compare products, read reviews, and order online, all from my laptop or phone.
I think online shopping will continue to improve. More secure websites and better customer service will make it even easier for everyone.
I hope so. I enjoy the benefits of online shopping, but I also want to feel safe when I share my information.
Me too, Nina. We must always check for secure payment methods and read the privacy policies.
Absolutely. Being careful online is very important. I feel good when I know my data is protected.
Well, it has been great talking with you about online shopping. I learned some good tips from our conversation.
Thank you, Ethan. I enjoyed our discussion too. It is nice to share experiences and learn how to shop smarter and safer.
Let's talk again soon. Maybe next time we can share some great deals or new websites we discovered.
I would like that. Have a wonderful day, Ethan, and happy shopping.
Thank you, Nina. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ethan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.